Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Success Step Word, who says if you dream it you can do it. So guys, we are back and today we will discuss about the format of writing test for academic version because it is different in both academic and general case. So today we'll talk about academic. So firstly, if I talk about writing, it is divided into two tasks and the timing will be 60 minutes, 20 minutes for task 1 and 40 for task 2, and both must be completed on time. However, in this video I'll articulate the format of task 1 only. So let's get started. So in task 1 there are different type of tasks and you have to describe, summarize or explain the given information in your own words. You may be asked to describe and explain data, describe the stages of a process or how something works. If I talk about timing and word limit, test takers need to write 150 words in about 20 minutes. Answer must be given on the right answer sheet. You may write on the question paper, but this cannot be taken from the examination room and will not be seen by examiner. Clear? Now I'll tell the different types of this task. So firstly, process chart, in which you will be given a process and you will have to explain that in your words. In detail, we'll talk about it in the next video or in the upcoming videos. Clear? So secondly, map chart, in which there will be 2 or more maps and test taker has to compare them. Next is line graph, in which some data will be given in the form of line graphs and you will have to explain it in your words. Finally, bar, table and pie graph. I mentioned these three together because these are explained in same way. Clear? So these are the types of task 1. In the upcoming videos, I'll explain each type in detail, so don't be panic at all. Finally, we move to marking and assessment. So there are some technical things on which you will be assessed. Each task is assessed independently. Responses are assessed on firstly task achievement. This assesses how appropriately and accurately the response fulfills the requirement of task 1 using minimum of 150 words. So you have to write at least 150 words for this task. Next is coherence and cohesion. This concerns overall clarity, how the response organizes and links data. To fulfill this requirement, you have to use wide range of linking words like and, after that, subsequently. These type of words you should use in your task 1 to achieve this coherence and cohesion. Next is lexical resources. This refers to range of vocabulary used and its accuracy in terms of the task. It means you have to use vocabulary words, different kind of words in your task and use them accurately also. Clear? Next is grammatical range and accuracy. In this, one has to use the accurate and wide range of grammar such as different sentence structure, for example, if, when, although, whether. So these type of sentences you have to use, like conditional sentences, complex sentences, such kind of sentences. Clear? So yeah, that was all about assessment. Now turning to score part. From the 9-band scale, one can get maximum 3 band for task 1 and 6 for task 2. So I think that's enough for today's video and this is the end of today's video. We'll meet tomorrow in the new video in which we'll talk about the format of task 2. Till then, stay tuned and please subscribe the channel if you are new on our channel and haven't subscribed yet, and please press the bell icon to get instant notification for our videos, and don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you so much.